guys, so the quarantine is supposed to be over, but if you look around the streets, almost everything is back to normal. Yep, it looks like the quarantine hits over here. Yeah, say hi.
Welcome to Cusco.
Yeah.
Welcome to my city.
So what we're gonna do now is going to see where we can get around while we're here in Cusco. So, check it out. If you're entering by the street that I just walked in, you'll see a Starbucks and then you'll see the plaza. If you look to the right, you'll look at another cathedral, and then you go straight until you see the street where the 12-angle stone is. If you walk straight, you'll go all the way to a street called Chocachaca, where you'll see a restaurant called Yak Cafe in the corner. Whenever you see that, go to the left and go straight until you see some stairs. Going up, turn to the right, and then go straight all the way until you see a sign that says way to the White Jesus, which should be on the left side of the street. So these are the stairs of death. Hopefully I'll make again that bad. I'm at the end of the stairs, so you may thought, okay, we're done with that. Well, think again. Follow where the sign points, and you will go straight all the way where until you see another sign that points to other stairs. That should be on your left hand. You thought you were done with the stairs? You are wrong. And probably you are not done with going up, because although you already climbed another stairs, you will have to go to another one. As soon as you get on the top of that one, you need to turn to the left, and you'll see another path with some signs that point all the way up to the main road, and you will be able to see the White Jesus, and you will get nearer to that. So keep it going. And finally, you made it to the White Jesus. From there, you will be able to have a great view of the main city. You'll be right next to Sexy Woman. I hope that you enjoy the view and you have enjoyed this guide on how to get to the White Jesus. Have a great day. So we just tried to get into Sexy Woman, but it's closed. So I'm gonna wait for everything to reopen again. As well, it was a nice walk to White Jesus. And now we're running some errands around here. Have a good day.